Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. So today we will learn that is future continuous tense part 5. And in this part today we will explore that is how to use the contractions. Today we will learn the more contraction because the last video I have already told you and we were supposed to learn the contraction form of the today. And we will also learn that is how to contract the that is will be and the another forms that is generally used in the future continuous tense. Okay, so today we will just keep an eye on it, so don't be worried. Let's get started and we will learn by step. So look at the board first here, and here we can start from here. I will be becomes what? I'll be. Okay, it becomes I'll be. I will be becomes I'll be, and the all subjects will be same like this. For example, that is you'll be, will be, we will be, they'll be, he'll be, she'll be, it will be. But it will be, it isn't used. Okay, because it will be people generally don't use, but if you use it, it's correct. But it takes two time. It will be. Okay. So it's a little bit of difficult. That's why people always ignore this. Okay, but it becomes in our rule, so that's why we have to just get it, know this. That's why I have written this. But if you use it, no problem, and if you don't want to use it, that's okay. So here we have already done the contraction, that is I'll be, you'll be. So this is will be becomes you'll. Okay, the pronunciation is like this. So it's in the positive, and here with the different subjects I have written different words to make you all understand the future continuous. So how can we say this? We can say I'll be living in California. You can add the extension after the word of verb. Okay, by adding the extension, you can make more sentences. I will be living in California. You will be meeting your boss tomorrow. We'll be shopping for your mother. They will be playing cricket from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. He will be sleeping at night. She will be doing her homework. It will be working by then. Or you can say it will be working by then. Okay, no problem. So here we have already understand the positive form, that is will be becomes will be. That is I will be becomes I will be. And then we can add the verb with plus ing. Then we can add the extension. Then our sentence becomes like this. So we have already understand the positive one. Then we will try to understand the negative. In the negative, we are watching that is I will not be. Will not be. Okay, so when will not be becomes, you know that what it will be, because I have already discussed about it with our last video, that is part 4. Okay, I have already discussed about it. I will not be becomes I won't be. You know that I have told you multiple times our last video of part 4 future continuous tense. I have tell you everything. I have given you in explanation of this. So I will not be becomes I won't be. So let's make some example. We can take this I won't be working tomorrow for your father's behavior. We can also say that is I won't be, you won't be, he won't be, okay, and go on like this. And we can also create some sentence that is I won't be leaving tomorrow, you won't be meeting your boss, she won't be shopping, they won't be sleeping, okay, like this, and go on, and you can just keep it on to make some sentences. So these are the main techniques. That is how to contract the forms. Okay, and in today's video we have already learned the contraction of future continuous tense. So by the way, if you like this video, just like, comment, share and follow my video everyone, and see you in the next video everyone, and thanks for watching my video.